Welcome, traders. Here is our weekend market update. The market is in sideways mode, and actually nothing to do until and unless market starts a fresh trend. So this is the beauty of waves. In waves, there are some waves where if you trade, then that can give you a good value for your trading decision. And in some waves, actually in corrective waves, not in all corrective waves, but for some corrective waves, you can't get a good enough movement or momentum in the market. It just remains sideways. So we have discussed about Nifty in our previous video, that I'm still expecting that market hasn't changed the uh, direction. Okay, so because the character is missing, right? Why I'm saying that? See, when a Web3 starts, please understand the perspective that we are expecting that this is Web1 and this is WXY correction to complete Web2, then Web3 should start, and for that, Web3 should come in gaps and it should move furiously. But after this big gap up on 2nd of February, from 3rd February till today is 11th February, market hasn't given any good momentum in upside, right? Whenever it is opening in gaps and then crashing down from the upper level and just consolidating the whole day. So there is a really big pain for option buyers because market just kicks out option. So these are just sellers area, right? And uh, in this scenario, I am still expecting that this is a first set of ABC, right? I'm shifting it here, and then, or maybe here. This is the first set of ABC. Then this is ABC to complete wave X, right? And I am expecting another ABC to follow to complete the correction. Okay. So in any case, I'm still not that much bullish in the market because the character is still highly missing. If it is Web3, then these highs should have been taken out in fast manner, right? But no, we are not seeing that. So everyone is in confused state and market is showing this, right? See these candlestick patterns. These are all indecision candles. The bulls are not confident enough to push the market higher, right? And the bigger cycle is also not pointing in the favor of the bulls. So for that reason, I'm just watching the market and nothing more to update. And for that reason, I haven't given you any videos in recent times, right? So why I've decided to make this video, because I'm going to share some important cycles and possible structure in the market, because uh, that can make you a little bit of safer in the market until and unless you are drug addicted, right? If you are not drug addicted, then I can show you something. First of all, let's discuss the cycles. Okay, the coming time cycles which are important enough is 13th February, 16th February, and the most major cycle for me is 25th of February, right? So these are very, very important three time periods that I am sharing with you. Now, keeping in mind that this is an X wave and again an ABC should follow. So this is your A and we are in wave B. Okay, now wave B always deceives people. This is the character of wave B. It deceives people, and for that reason, market is doing nothing, right? Okay, you can see it. It is doing nothing. Okay, just gap and then just collapse, gap and just sideways. So just a dead market. But in wave three, you can't see a dead market because the volumes comes pretty high. Okay, and market just moves furiously in upside direction. Now here you can see that market is not willing to go in downside direction also. So what may be the possible structure in coming days? That is our today's discussion only. Okay, so fine. Now what market can do as per the time is still not up. This is the beauty of Gann's theory. W.D. Gann's theory tells us that price and time always comes in equality, and after that, market uh, starts a fresh trend. Okay, so to start a fresh trend, market must come in price and time equality. Now, see, there is a huge price movement in a very small time. Okay, so market has used very small time but used maximum space. So since it has used maximum space and small amount of time, so there are enough time for the market to spend. Okay, and that's why price is just hovering around and giving us no momentum at all. And this is the beauty. And if you understand these, then you can premeditate your strategy, and eventually this is just option seller sell zone, because option sellers eats time. Okay, time is god for them. Okay, now what may unfold in coming days? So as we have discussed, this is wave A, though the pattern is not that much convincing. Maybe this is A, B, C, it may happen, and the B wave is going on. Okay, now what are the possible format that B may proceed? Okay, B may proceed in this form. Okay, there are several format for wave B. Now the basic format is just ABC. Okay, so B wave moves in three waves. Now see, from here, from this low, this is 1, 2, the whole thing is wave 3 since gaps are coming here, and this whole consolidation is wave 4, and after that we may see wave 5 to complete A, right? This portion to complete A. So this could be the A wave, and then market should spend more time until 13th February. Okay, so 13th February is our date. So in that case, market, so I am showing you 13th February and 16th of February. Okay, so these are our dates. So what market may do, it may do in the form of 4 and 5 should come within 13th February, and after that market may correct in wave B, that is this portion. Okay, so how it may develop? This high should complete wave A, then market should fall back in wave B, and wave C should follow them, okay, to complete ABC. Fine. Now this B wave may come little deeper in this zone, but what I am expecting that wave B, after completion of wave A, wave B may take in triangle form, because keep in mind that market need to spend a lot of time, okay, until and unless the time is up. So the B wave may come in this form, in this triangle shape, okay, like this. After one more high, this way, and after that it may complete wave C. Okay, this is my expectation. This kind of price action will develop in coming days. Okay, until and unless 25th of February. It may come 1-2 days early or something. It may happen, and the C should complete in this date, and after that we can see a bigger decline in the market. That's my expectation, and until and unless the price breaks these high in fast and furious manner. Okay, so this thing I had to share with you. I plan to do this to make you aware of the market in coming days. Okay, so thank you for watching, and be safe and disciplined in the market. Otherwise, you know, if you want to trade these moves, then you will be kicked out. Okay, so your account will get blown off until and unless you are very, very much professional as a trader. So choose your trading style and proper instrument, and then take your decision, right? So this is not any recommendation video, that you all know. We just discussed the market in our different techniques, right? Using immediate waves and time cycles. So thank you, and be safe and disciplined.